Wow, am I ever surprised and excited to share this video with you. I cannot believe I just got this order in from Rosie's studio. This is the best Christmas deal I have seen from them maybe ever, and I can't believe that it's here. So I'm in Canada, and Canada Post is on strike right now, and that is usually how my packages arrive. So I really wasn't sure how I would be receiving any shipments, and I ordered this because it was such a good price that I just had to have the stuff, even though I didn't expect to be able to use it this year at all. Well, it is here in plenty of time for me to use it. So the deal that they had that was so amazing was they had 10 for $10. You got to choose 10 different packages of all the things that I'm going to show you for the price of $10. And you could do this actually twice. So I ordered 20 things from them for $20. And these alone, I am so excited about. I believe I ordered more than this. I stocked up on these. I absolutely love their gemstones. They are my favorite. And not only did I get the gemstones, but I also got these enamel dots with a little bit of glitter. So I'm happy about that. And I got these stars that are going to be great to design with. I really mixed up all the collections. I didn't stick to just Hearth and Home or Very Merry. I sought out the specific types of products and added them to my box, and I will use them. Look at these Very Merry sprinkles. This will be great for making shaker pockets. Love that. We have some nice, wow, acetate die cut ephemera from their Very Merry collection. I'll take some of that out and show that to you. I'll just go through everything quickly here. I did get more of these. I think I got 6 of these in total. Let's just keep looking. There's another one. And oh, this one's missing one. I'll forgive them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be all of them. Normally, I wouldn't even remember what I've ordered, but because it was so recent, I definitely remember it. Now, stuff like this will really go with any Christmas collection. If you watched my video where I showed what I'm doing for my December daily this year, you will know that the collections I'm working with will be mixed, but these will certainly be great additions. I have definitely picked out accent pieces here. Puffy stickers, gemstones, and these enamel dots or enamel hearts and stars. And then the specific collection packages that I've picked, all wrapped up. This is a beautiful, oh, actually I keep looking to show you the back, but these I can flip up and show you everything that you get here. Like, look at how beautiful all these flowers are. Gorgeous layering pieces and accent features from the All Wrapped Up collection. These were super cute from the Very Merry collection, a die cut set. So 166 pieces here, 214 on that last one. And you can see all of these gorgeous, cute pieces that I will be able to decorate my December daily with. And we definitely have a different feel with this Hearth and Home and the Very Merry and the All Wrapped Up. Like, you can really see this is your traditional green and red kind of collection, but there's so many individual pieces that I think will work with any collection, like this window, for example, this Santa box, heart, any of these gold stars. So that is neat. I also got this die cut sentiment pack with 114 pieces. This one had 154. Their ephemera packs are loaded, and they always give you doubles of everything, which I really like. And again, like, these are just perfect no matter what collection I am using, to be able to add a little Christmas message or tag to a project. And then these are the last two things that are also great for any collection. It is from the All Wrapped Up. You get one puffy sticker sheet here with these beautiful fonts that have these Christmas words. And I got one from Hearth and Home as well. And again, your traditional Christmas colors, but I mean, any collection I can use white, black, red, or green. So that is what I've got there. It was $10 for shipping. It was not shipped tracked, so I didn't know when it was coming. There was an option to ship it tracked as well for more. I usually pick the lowest price, and it's usually $6 for shipping. It shows up in, I don't know, several weeks typically, but they've increased the cost of shipping because they have adapted to this strike, I assume, and they sent it through UPS. I'm just so happy that this is here now. I'm glad that I will be able to put this in my 2024 December daily. If you watched my last video where I documented a decade of December dailies, you will know that I typically work on Christmas projects throughout the year following. I don't often get it done in the month of December for that year. And I show you exactly how I go through and put my December dailies together, how I've organized it. After 10 years of doing them, I definitely have some great tips and tricks. If you want to see that video, I will leave a link for you here and you can check that out. But I'm just going through a little bit of these beautiful acetate pieces. They're so cute. I love this hot chocolate one here. And there we are. So this is everything here. I will leave links down below if you are interested in keeping up to date with any of these deals that I come across. Follow me on Instagram, Polka Dot Mailbox, because that is where I shared this information when it was live. I shared the link and gave you the opportunity to purchase. I know some of my subscribers and followers did take advantage and have already received their products. So yay, I'm glad that I was able to help you out and have these hot little Christmas items in your hands as well in time for Christmas. If you want to see what I am going to be working in for December 2024, this is my binder. It was a collaboration with Paige Evans, and that's the website that I ordered this album from, but I'm going to be decorating it up and Christmasifying it all, and I've just added in some of these pages from Simple Stories and Becky Higgins to be able to start adding my photos to. But definitely check out my video where I document the last 10 years of December dailies, and I show you exactly all my tips and tricks on how to create your own. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.